The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me at four gray walls that surround me, and I realize I was only dreaming. For there's a God and there's a shadow far great. Arm in arm we will walk at daybreak, and again I'll touch that green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me 'neath the green, green grass of home.
Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the world its saddest sound, its saddest sound. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. sadder sound. I'd rather be a forest than a street. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets caught up to the ground. He gives the world its saddest song. Its saddest song. I'd rather feel the earth beneath my feet. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would.
You work and work for years and years. You're always on the go. You never take a minute off, too busy making dough. Someday you'll say you'll have your fun when you're a millionaire. Imagine all the fun you'll have in your old rocking chair. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Come on now, you gotta have fun. You're gonna take that ocean trip no matter come what may. You got your reservations, but you just can't get away. Next year for sure you'll see the world, you'll really get around. But how far can you travel when you're 6 feet underground? Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Get out and see the world. You worry when the weather's cold. You worry when it's hot. You worry when you're doing well. You worry when you're not. It's worry all the time. You don't know how to laugh. They'll think of something funny when they write your epitaph. Enjoy yourself, it's later than you think. Enjoy yourself while you're still in the pink. The years go by as quickly as a wink. Enjoy yourself, it's later